Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you honest, detailed reviews of the latest tech and gadgets. Today, we're talking about the best double-din touchscreen car stereo you can get right now. The Pioneer DMH-130BT. Whether you're upgrading your old head unit or stepping into the world of smart in-car entertainment for the first time, this stereo is designed to give you a complete experience. Right out of the box, the DMH-130BT looks sleek and modern with its 6.8-inch resistive touchscreen. While it's not a capacitive display like your smartphone, it's responsive and functional, especially at this price point. The short chassis design is a blessing for tighter dashboards and makes installation a breeze, even for DIYers or vehicles with limited mounting space. Once powered on, the interface is clean and intuitive. Pioneer has built a reputation for user-friendly design, and the DMH-130BT doesn't disappoint. The layout is simple to navigate, and settings are easy to adjust, whether you're tweaking audio levels or pairing your phone via Bluetooth. Speaking of Bluetooth, that's one of the biggest wins with this model. It connects quickly to both iOS and Android devices and supports hands-free calling, audio streaming, and phonebook access. Whether you're taking a call or blasting your playlist, you'll appreciate the seamless connection. The microphone picks up your voice clearly, and audio from calls comes through the speakers with great clarity. Audio quality is another strong suit. With 50 watts by 4 channels, the power output is more than enough to fill your car with crisp, dynamic sound. You also get a 13-band graphic equalizer to fine-tune your audio to perfection. And for the audiophiles out there, yes, it supports FLAC files, which means you can enjoy lossless audio right from a USB drive. Speaking of USB, there's a front USB port for easy access, so you can plug in your music or charge your phone without digging behind the unit. Another standout feature is the backup camera input. It's a must-have for safety and convenience, especially if you're driving a larger vehicle. Just connect a compatible camera, and the screen automatically switches when you're in reverse. It supports customizable parking guidelines too, which is a really helpful touch. Let's not forget AM/FM radio. Even in the age of streaming, Pioneer keeps it classic with a high-quality radio tuner that offers great reception and memory presets for all your favorite stations. For those with steering wheel controls, the DMH-130BT includes support for input adapters, allowing you to retain factory controls without any hassle. It's a small but important feature that makes the driving experience more convenient and hands-free. Physically, the unit feels solid. The buttons have a satisfying tactile feel, and the build quality lives up to Pioneer's name. It doesn't feel cheap, which is impressive considering it's priced competitively in a market full of options. Now, it doesn't support wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This unit keeps it more traditional. But if your priority is reliable Bluetooth, great sound quality, and essential features like backup camera support and steering wheel control compatibility, the DMH-130BT is an excellent pick. To wrap it up, the Pioneer DMH-130BT offers incredible value. It brings together all the must-have features for a modern driving experience, without overcomplicating things or inflating the price. For anyone looking for a dependable, well-rounded upgrade to their car stereo, this is without question the best double-din touchscreen car stereo you can buy today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique. We'll see you in the next video.